This will be the elevator here at Harshbarger Mines Building, here University of Arizona, Tucson, Arizona. Now you're wondering, is this original to the building? Well, technically it is, because this side of the building is original. Then they just added onto that side. Anyway, we got some PTL fixtures. Start by going down. Here it is. As you can tell, it's a Dover. Very nice cab. My entrance are very custom. Anyway, we are going to go down to the Harshbarger basement. Harshbarger. Obviously was mod. See, this is the original building here. So basically, this elevator was original to this building. But anyway, look up to 3H. PTL buttons. Wow. 8A phone. Let's go to BM. Here we are. This was added onto the building, so basically this wasn't here before, but this was added on 1982. I hate these buttons. We're going to stop at all the A floors and the M floors. Here we have two mines. Second floor mines levels. Yes, it's a Dover. To Harshbarger. See, it doesn't go that long of a distance between floors. Then we're going to mines. Mines, and we're in the video at Harshbarger level. Not very long distance between floors. And here we are. But look at these call stations now. Green for up and red for down. That's so cool. But anyway, once the door closes, there she goes. And I guess that is gonna be it.